Now.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Kay.
Good afternoon. My sister Regina.
Yup. No, I told her I'm Kay. I'm Kay.
Regina.
Kay.
Gina.
That is my nickname since 1996 when I first worked in Jollibee Lipa. The first franchise of Jollibee here in Pasig. So, what are we going to talk about today?
English Carabao.
So, English Carabao. You want to see the prism inside this? It's very beautiful.
Really? Can I look at it?
No.
Come
Don't.
on, give me that.
Don't. You have to look faster so I can borrow it again.
It's beautiful.
Oh, that's my father who asked me for a coat.
Oh! It's our father.
Okay. Oh, father, you speak in English because you're my dad is
My
asking
sister is
for
very obedient, so that's why he's
no.
going to get
No.
my
Ouch.
father,
Deo is more obedient than ouch.
water. Now go there and get some water.
No, Deo is most obedient of all of us.
No.
You hot water.
She's the one that's so obedient.
No.
Mom, do you think my
I have to
grammar
go
is
back.
correct? Mom, do you think my grammar is correct? I hope that you'll teach me how to speak in English fluently.
I hope you understand what he's saying too. He's teacher for me. I can understand and I can relate whatever you want. I mean.
I'm sorry for my English Carabao because I can speak in English in very smooth way. It's hard, but I'm trying my best to speak in English very well. So.
Oh, there's Albex. You see Albex?
Alex, come here. Come here. Look to the camera and say hello. Chloe, come here. Chloe, come here. Don't look over
Speak
there.
English.
Oh. Don't cover the camera. It will not see me. This is Alex.
Oh, that's Albex. He's Mr. Denmark.
Our neighbor.
He's going to dance on October 23 at the Mabini Academy.
So please watch him.
So watch him. Drop by at
And
the
now she
Mabini
will-
Academy.
And now he will perform for just a minute. Dance, Alex. Show the camera that you are a great dancer. Chloe, come here. Come here. Please.
Ayaw.
It's for my project.
Ayaw.
Don't speak in Tagalog. We are on.
Sabi mo, Chloe, no.
Ayaw ko.
No, I don't
No,
want.
it's Tagalog.
Ayaw ko.
Speak in English.
Ayaw ko.
You don't like? So step back. Walk. Oh my gosh. My English is empty now.
Oh, there's a bird at your side.
Oh. It's a bird. What kind of bird are you?
Albex bird.
Albex bird. He is a Albex bird.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Where do you live? Live there. Over there. There. And there.
Nagugulong mo sa ito.
What?
Ng tiger. Anong dragon. Ba?
Make some noise. Like a tiger.
Di na lang.
Okay.
Oh, Adrian! You should
Adrian,
be
get down over
very
there.
careful there or you might fall. And
Yeah.
you will broke your neck.
And you will cry. Because it hurt. You know?
Ow!
Have you ever
This is Chloe.
Have you ever experienced
Oh,
to
this is
fall
Chloe.
down
This is
from
Chloe.
the 14th floor?
Are she beautiful? Yeah, she's beautiful.
No, we don't have juice. You like juice? I will
Because
make
her
juice.
uncle is ugly.
Isa
Oh,
na
no.
lang.
That theory is just an empty.
Oh my gosh. My English is...
Oh, this one. We have
My
another
English
one.
mom is nauubos na. You know that, mom? Mom, I'm sorry.
Sabahin na.
Ito na.
I hope that you will understand my English,
Huwag
mom.
na sayang kung
But
bibili
still-
niyo yan. Hindi ko na nga sama-sama.
Oh,
Sabahin ko na.
start to speak in English for about 10 minutes. Mom,
Iinom din lang. Deo will make a beautiful dance for you. Brother dance.
I can't dance, you know.
You sing na lang.
Okay, I
You
sing
sing na. You'll always be my baby.
Always be my baby. We are so one day in a moment in time. I'm sorry, I can sing properly because I'm shy now. Because I'm the only one that the camera record. Oh my gosh, how many minutes now? Can I look at? Oh, it's already 6 minutes now. Last 4 minutes before I turn off the camera.
Last 4 minutes before nose bleeding.
Oh, my brain is getting outside my ear. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's here.
Oh, sorry brother, you don't have brain, so you don't have leakage.
Oh, that's what you think. You layered cake. You're just like a cake. You are layered because your pot is spreading out with your skin.
No, it's not a pot. It's a shape.
Now, Chloe, come here. Ma, last 3 minutes, Mom. There is no how. My English is going down.
Have
Here
you
again.
watched the movie of Judy
The bird
and
is here again.
Santos?
Bird.
And have you
What is the color of
ever
the day? Red. I'm in red. He's in red.
the